So today we're gonna be installing the biggest cold air intake you can buy for a G35 or 350Z. All I ask in return, leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and comment down below what was the first ever mod you did to your car. What's good, YouTube? What's poppin', everybody? Is that my neighbor staring at me? No, it's not. My name is Danny. This is my 2004 Infiniti G35, which we got from Copart about 2.5 months ago or so. Rebuilt the whole wiring. You guys already know what's good. You already know. There's a whole series on it. Today it's getting its first ever mod, which is, as you read in the title, it is true, the biggest cold air intake or air intake you can buy for the G35 and also 350Z. I'm waiting for something for the car. USPS? Oh, it was just ladders. No. Okay, so if you wanna... That's how it is from Copart. You're grounded. You're grounded. What it has on now, it actually came with this engine 3 intake, which by the... Whoa. Yo, my map sensor isn't even connected. What the heck? Are you serious? I'm just kidding. Got him! It came with this tuned engine technology intake, which honestly, like, and look at this filter, how old this filter is. It just... I can't. I wonder what my neighbors are thinking. So when you're taking off the old one or OEM one, I'm pretty sure that the map sensor is gonna go right there, and then you just gotta grab a T15, I believe. Yes, T15, and then you just bolt these two little bolts. Do not lose them. Do not lose them. Gonna grab an 8mm. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm pretty sure we're gonna take everything off at the same time, so we're gonna go ahead, start up here. Boom! Look how easy. You don't need nobody, bro. That's it. Let's see you take off an intake right there. Oh, gotta be careful with that. Yay! Let's go. New earnings are today. Stock about to go boom. Right now my favorite stocks are MVIS and Neo. Two pretty good ones. I guess you can say this is a 3-inch, right? It looks like a 2.5. It's a 3-inch. Let's see the front though. So I think this one goes from a 3-inch right into like a 3.5-inch, I'm pretty sure. We can see the welds right there from the inside. Ayo, skirt. Akira, I'm paying you for this. Can you just relax? Like, please. This thing looks insane. Scratch it up. I hate it. But time to bust a myth. Are they really 4-inch? The front. Yo, that's 4 inches, dude. Bro, look at that. 4 inches, a whole 4 inches. I'm telling you, like, it's not about to literally fit your whole head in. Just straight up perform. Look at that. Straight up performance, bro. Seriously, the world needs your opinion. Okay, you're down? You're down? Okay. Do you see how big this is? Look how big this is. Huge, right? Right, yeah. Look at that. Okay, now, you see that one, right? Now look at this one. What do you think about this one? Trash? Let's just take a moment and you'll see how peaceful this is. I love dogs, man. What is even good? And with the PCV delete, that one goes up here where the hose goes, and the other one goes there. I'm not sure though. So with this, there's supposed to come also like a clear cone where it connects this to this, because as you can see, a hose cannot go inside a hose unless we finesse, which we might be able to finesse it. Pat just probably forgot to put it in. It's all good though. He's getting kind of old. I forgive him. This won't happen to your order. Don't worry. I promise. I spent the whole night the other days organizing everything. Looks good. Hey, for now to work. And we can skirt this down there somewhere. www.limodtuning.com. I repeat, just kidding. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. It is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Late Mode Tuning 4-inch intake for DE and rev up. Dude, this thing is just straight up performance. Shout out to Pat. Oh, look how nice this is. Oh, I should have wrapped. Honestly, I like the black better than the gold wrap. You can gold wrap it, do whatever. Pat does not only do intakes, he also tunes VQs and a lot of other things. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description, the website, and where to buy that intake. Oh, that looks pretty nice. But I like the black. It also comes with this heat Oh, wow. Okay, sorry. Like this? No, it doesn't go like that. It goes like this, right? Yeah, it goes somewhere like this. I think you gotta either bolt it up somewhere or just shove it in here. Did almost forget to say, if you do buy this intake, you do have to get a tune right after since it's so big. And 2.5 that the car had before, you don't need a tune. This 4-inch intake, you do need a tune. Is my car tuned for it? Yes, it is. So cold air intakes, why would you buy one? Are they really worth it? Yes. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible. This is like the nose of the engine. The bigger the intake and the better quality, as well as the filter. The bigger the filter or just the better quality filter, that's where there's K&N. And K&N actually comes with like this oil. So like little pedigree and like little dust particles kind of get stuck in the oil. You can kind of see in there how oily it is at the end. But yes, good filter with a nice quality intake. Better air, colder air, more condensed air, which is cleaner air for your engine, and this is gonna breathe better, more horsepower, baby. But if sometimes the intake is too big, like this one right here is a 4-inch, the car ECU is not used to a 4-inch intake. That's why you gotta tune the ECU for a 4-inch intake, and that's what the map sensor does. Kind of just tells the engine how much air is coming in. Mass airflow sensor. Okay, 10 of these, you guys gotta like and subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go. We'll wait. Okay, now that you like and subscribe. Just kidding. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna connect the filter now and just put everything in at once. Oh my goodness, this is huge. She said. We disconnected the plug and left it out, so when we have the hole intake, we literally just gotta connect the plug at the bottom. So we chill. If you put this first, there's no way you're gonna. Bro, I put it in backwards. This is why I'm an uncertified mechanic. Oh, bam. Then slide it. There we go. And I slide it. Ow. Dude, look at my hand. Oh my gosh. Qué grasa, bro. Look how good this just made the engine look. We got a clean filter here. Ooh, also almost forgot, which I don't think I'm gonna use. Oh, it's right here. There we go, that's good. Heat shield, not gonna do right now. I can't really seem to figure it out. And right now, at this moment, it's not as important. I'm not gonna be driving this car a lot. Or actually, I'm not even gonna be driving it at all because it's not registered. But if you guys do wanna go ahead and put it on, just have fun figuring it out. It should be like a fun little project you can do by yourself. Kinda see how it can go and like this and like that. But yo, I can't talk right now. I'll talk to you later, okay? Alright. Was he sleeping? Yo, I can't talk right now. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay.
Did you call me?
What? No, you called me. You were FaceTiming me.
No, I think you FaceTime me. Yeah, you FaceTime me. But okay, I'll see you later then. I can't talk right now, I'm busy.
What are you doing?
I'm busy. I'm scared. Okay, so yes, the second PCB delete is right there. Let me show you guys real quick if you want to do it yourself. Right there, you basically have to take this off, and then there's like a screw that goes directly on that. Oh, it is. Kind of. I'm gonna put it on just to have it on, but as you can see, hose is a little bigger than that right there. A little plastic just like that comes with this, and it's a little bit thicker, so this actually can fit in there. I'm gonna put it for now. I'm gonna tie it up really good so it doesn't go anywhere. Oh, this is nice and snug. That's not going anywhere.
What is on your head?
GoPro. Look how nice the intake looks though, right?
Nice.
What do we do with the rest of the tube, my guy? Because it's not even connected anymore. I got you. You're probably gonna have to order online or go somewhere and look for like these little rubber stops or like just something to cover up. Looks, man. Dang, that looks massive, bro. Coming in for this car are catch cans, so we're not gonna have to use these anymore. This one and that one over there, so we're chilling. This is temporary, but catch cans are coming in. Should be here pretty soon, actually. It's fitting. That's going in. I don't care. You're going in. Right? Yeah, that's good enough. Engine bay clean, cause look down there, dude. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Mr. Clean, covered up. Thing right here. Oh, there it is. Oh. And if you're all wondering about 20 horsepower to the wheels or 15 to the wheel with the tuned ECU and the intake, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Pat actually did like a whole before and after the tune with the intake, and that's about how much it got. To guess, you have to guess first.
Shifter?
It's under the hood.
What, cash can?
Turbo, dude. I was kidding. Look how big that is.
That K&N filter?
K&N 4-inch. 4 inches. Yeah.
What's that gonna do?
What do you mean? Oh, look at that. You want to try to drive it? Try not to stall. Go, 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 go. I want to see if you stall. Dude, if Alex stalls, you know this car's hard to drive. Ah, he didn't stall, dang it. Do a burnout, do a burnout. Huh?
Can't do it.
Why?
I don't know. I've never done it before. Don't stall.
I forgot to press the brakes. That thing's loud, right? Dude, look at this. The car also sounds a lot more beefy, 100%. I didn't do it before and after, but then again, I'm not the most perfect YouTuber. All I ask though, leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And with that being said, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's quick video, install video. If you want to see more like this, let me know. Hasta luego. Love you guys so much. Oh shoot. My mom straight up just said it sounds better than the 370. I kind of agree. I kind of agree.